Go.
Hi, this is Candace from So Creative in Wenatchee, Washington, and we have an unboxing to do today. We got this nice little box, very heavy, from Moda fabric that we're going to open up and we're going to see what's inside. We have a couple options. It could be some new fabric we haven't had before. It could be some of our really popular stuff that we're getting back into stock. So I can't wait to see what it is, if I can actually be clever enough and get this open. Don't do this at home, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, we'll get it there. Ah, smarter than the average piece of tape. Okay. Ooh, this is exciting. I know a lot of people have been waiting for this to come. We have our grunge glitters back, ladies and gentlemen. We have this really popular one that everybody's been waiting for. We have 2 bolts of that. We have a bolt of our cream with glitter. We have our black dress grunge with glitter. And then we have 3 new black and whites that I believe are part of, are they part of the Illusion collections? They are part of the Illusions paper ink. So we're going to get these into our computer system. We're going to post some pictures, but guys, come in and get them, especially if you've been waiting for this grunge. Everybody's been asking us when we're going to get it back in stock. So come visit us at 1139 North Princeton Street, or give us a call at 663-5518. 16. I don't even know our own phone number. 663-5516. Have a good day.